Alicante Beach in Spain is one of the great destinations for tourists who want to enjoy the cool blue sea and beautiful scenery. With its long coastline, fine white sand, and clear seawater, Alicante attracts millions of tourists every year to relax and enjoy. Alicante Beach has a strategic geographical location, located between other major cities such as Valencia and Murcia, about 400 kilometers southeast of Madrid. With an 8.2 kilometers coastline, Alicante is not only a popular tourist destination, but also an important commercial and cultural center of the Costa Blanca. With its warm and temperate Mediterranean climate, Alicante is constantly massaged by cool sea breezes, providing an ideal environment for rest and relaxation. Summers here are usually quite hot but not too harsh, while winters are warm and pleasant. With a large amount of sunshine every year, visitors can enjoy long days of sunshine and wonderful seas. On Alicante Beach, it is impossible not to mention the seductive beauty of hot girls, captivating people with their natural beauty and full vitality. With warm sunlight, tanned skin, and hair blowing in the sea breeze, they create a sensual and enchanting landscape. Alicante Beach is not only a popular tourist destination, but also plays an important role in promoting Spain's tourism industry. With its amazing natural beauty, ideal climate, and unique culture, Alicante attracts millions of tourists from all over the world every year. The influence of tourism on Alicante and Spain is undeniable. The tourism industry not only brings a large source of income to the local economy, but also creates many job opportunities for local residents. In addition, the development of tourism also promotes the development of supporting economic sectors, such as restaurants, hotels, and transportation services. subscribing to our channel, you will be on a never-ending adventure, learning and experiencing new things from every angle. Hit the subscribe button now so you don't miss any new videos and join our journey. Thank you for your support and companionship with wandering.